Hi guys, thank you for joining me on another episode of I'ma Try It with Danielle. This is your girl Danielle speaking. Now for this week's episode, I tried to bake chocolate chip cookies. It was my sister's birthday. She didn't want a cake, she preferred for me to do cookies. It was my first time trying them and I think they turned out really well. However, this recipe is not my own. I got it from Tasty's YouTube channel. They have an episode called How to Bake the Perfect Chocolate Chip Cookie, and this is their recipe. Of course, I made a few changes based on my ingredients and what I could get out here in Jamaica, but but otherwise, I think it turned out really well. Good consistency, good taste. And I hope you enjoy this episode. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all those good stuff. Thanks for your support.
Bowl I have browned butter, 3 cups of sugar. I've doubled the recipe that they have. So 16 ounces of brown butter, um, 3 cups of sugar, some espresso powder, espresso instant coffee. This is one part of this, and some vanilla. And I'm beating it to make it nice and light and creamy. So that's the first step. Alright, so here we are. I've added 2 eggs and a yolk and an egg yolk. It has deviated a bit from the recipe, but as I said, I'm just trying it. Not to the exact T, but with what I have. So now I'm gonna add in the dry ingredients, which I've already prepared and sifted and stuff like that. Here it is. In this, I have 4 cups of flour. Um, 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 3 teaspoons of salt. Right, and it's all sifted together. And now we're gonna add it to our wet ingredients. Alright, so here we are. We have our wet ingredients. Then our dry ingredients. We're gonna put them in thirds and then mix. And be prepared to work, honey, because this is a dough. It takes muscle. So cutting, folding, cutting, and folding. You don't need to incorporate everything perfectly now because we're gonna need to incorporate the chocolate chips. I don't want to mix out everything, all the air that we just incorporated with the whipping. Alright? Alright, maybe in fourths. Getting there. And now I get into the good part. Here are my chocolate chips. Ah! I have about a cup of milk chocolate chips and then about 2 cups of semi-sweet dark chocolate chips. And we're just gonna add them. As you can see, the milk chocolate chips are in clumps. It's okay. Everything will be evenly spread or not too evenly spread, depending on what you want, in your cookie. Right? Ooh, look at that. Incorporate it all. Alright guys, so here is my chocolate chip cookie dough. It's looking good, it's looking yummy. I'm gonna, as I said, scoop them out, place them on these and put them in the fridge to set. So guys, here's my first batch of cookies. As you can see, they're firm to the touch and they're ready to go in the oven. I've had them sitting in the fridge for a little over an hour, and my oven is preheated at 350 degrees. We're gonna put them in the pan. As you can see, it's a bit untidy, but you know, that's just how it goes. Put them in the oven, place them on the pan. We're gonna put them in the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. Based on the recipe, darling. So here we go. Give them room because they're gonna spread. I try to get at least 12 this tray. They're easier to handle like this than if you place the cookie dough in your fridge to sit like as one big ball. It's easier to handle when you scoop them before you place them in the fridge. That's my tip for you guys. The recipe that I used was made for 18 cookies. I doubled my recipe, so I'm expecting at least 36. You see how that goes. This is the first batch. 12 cookies. Let's see how it goes. Oh my god, guys. The first batch is done. And I can't wait to taste it. Oops. I can't wait. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. My first batch of chocolate chip cookies. I will definitely be baking some more of these in the future. And thanks guys for sticking with me till the end of another episode. Once again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you another time on another episode of I'ma Try It with Danielle. Peace out.